Hey guys, Brayden here, and you'll see while I have these handcuffs in 1 minute. But let's get on to the video. Well, what I'm going to be showing is how to break out of these handcuffs without a key. And these are the handcuffs from the store. You can buy them from the store and stuff. And well, I'm going to show you how to break out of them. So let's put them behind my back like you would do. And then, now watch. And there we go. Alright, and I'm going to show you how now. There's this little button right here that you push back. It's like a little switch right here. And watch. See? And I'm going to not press it. And it's locked. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you all that cool little thing that if y'all didn't know about. But yeah, as always, see you next time and peace.